Hi everyone, I'm Lauren. For my field trip experience, I chose to visit the Sanibel Captiva Conservation Foundation as well as Jay and Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge. I wanted to go to both of these locations because they're close to each other as well as fairly close to where I live. Preservation of natural resources in general and especially in my local marine environment is important to me and I wanted to support their efforts. At SCCF, I learned quite a bit about sea turtles, specifically the 5 species that are found in Florida waters. These are the green, leatherback, hawksbill, Kemp's ridley, and the loggerhead, with the loggerhead turtle being the most common and the leatherback being the largest. All of these species of sea turtle are endangered and therefore protected by Florida law. Their declining populations have been victim to commercial harvesting for eggs and food as well as incidental bycatch in shrimp nets, which we learned about in Chapter 13 of our book. I decided to draw the horseshoe crab because I saw one at both sites and learned that their compound eyes on the side of their head are specifically for finding mates, and their median eyes on the top of their head can see both UV and visible light. I also learned that their book gills are what propel them through the water for swimming, as well as allow them to breathe while underwater. Another fun fact I learned about the horseshoe crab is that they have translucent blood and it turns blue once it hits oxygen. At Ding Darling, I focused on learning about mangroves because they are so prominent in Florida ecosystems. Did you know that 75% of Florida game fish depend on mangroves, and 8.5 acres of mangroves can absorb the yearly carbon emissions of a typical car? Mangroves slow filter and absorb runoff before it enters the estuary, thus protecting water quality. They also protect shores and homes from tidal surges during storms. Mangrove forests provide a habitat for a wide variety of both marine vertebrates and invertebrates, and this food web relies heavily on the recycling of detritus, or decaying matter made by the falling leaves of mangroves. Mangroves are primary producers, and there are 4 main species found in Florida. These are the red, black, white, and buttonwood mangroves. They thrive in salty environments and are able to obtain fresh water from salt water by secreting salt through their waxy leaves or blocking absorption of salt at their prop roots. I enjoyed exploring both SCCF and Ding Darling, and each location gave me a greater appreciation of my local marine environment. I will continue to support their conservation efforts and their mission to preserve our natural resources. Thanks for watching!